Hello, welcome into SK1. Today in this video we will see how to download IntelliJ IDEA in a system. So let's begin. Download IntelliJ IDEA. After you need to click on this link, download IntelliJ IDEA. Here you can view IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate, which is free 30 days trial. But you need to download community version, which is open source. You do not need to buy. Click on download. I have already downloaded this software in my system, so let's start. Setup is in progress. And then you need to click on next button, and then next. Install. Installation is successfully started. After completing this installation, you can easily use this open source tool. In IntelliJ IDEA, we can easily debug the code, and it is IDEA support various languages frameworks. It is used for Java development, and it offers smart code assistance and advanced navigation and seamless debugging experience. So I would suggest you use this tool for Selenium and Java development. Our setup is already. I will cancel this. Here you can view the details. Another also open source tool, Eclipse. You can also use this tool for Selenium scripts and Java development. But I will suggest you to use IntelliJ IDEA because we can easily debug the code, and it supports many languages. Just click on finish button. IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition is successfully installed. And you can view the community 2023. I confirm, accept this agreement. Click on continue. Once and click on Neo. Here you can view JDK 2121 because in my system JDK is 21 version. You can confirm your JDK version from CMD Java dash version.